Hello friends, myself Professor Patel. This is video lecture series of subject vehicle dynamics and we are talking about the chapter tire mechanics. So today we are going to learn about magic tire formula. Till now we know all the basic terms regarding tires, also the performance while braking, cornering, turning, accelerating, how these affect our overall tire performance or overall vehicle performance that we have already learned. So in today's lecture, we will talk about magic tire formula. So let's begin with the formula. So in history, we can say that the magic formula was developed as a model for road car tires based on the idea that a combination of sine and arc-tan curves could represent the lateral force characteristics of a tire. Also, we can say that the different forces that are going to affect my overall tire performance, one of the main force that is lateral force. So, according to the lateral force, how my tire is going to react or affect my overall performance, that we have to calculate. And to calculate such lateral forces, one scientist, Pesca, he developed a series of tire design models over the last 20 years and he gave the name magic formula. So according to that formula, you will find or you will make own tire model. And also you can say that in the formula there is no particular physics involved in the structure of equation he chose. Also, you will find wide variety of tire constructions and operating condition. So it is a small theory about magic tire formula, how we can develop or design a tire model with the help of an equation. So moving further, each tire is characterized by number of coefficient. Here it is written that 10 to 20 coefficients are there and each are important for the forces that can applied onto the into the tire. Different contact patch, lateral forces, longitudinal forces, self-aligned torque. So these are the several data that we have to fit to the equations or to the model. So over the years, you can see that the coefficient have been added to a model. You will find number of coefficient or we can say the constants that are added to the tire formula that we will see later on. And these are the coefficient that added to the model that the tire's longitudinal and combined characteristics that affect tire's longitudinal and combined characteristic as well as self-aligned torque. Also, you can see that these coefficients are then used to generate equations, how much force is generated for a given vertical load on a tire, camber angle, slip angle. So ultimately these formulas or these equations are going to use for or to calculate the vertical load, camber angle and slip angle. So this is how coefficients are going to work in our magic tire formula. Again, moving further with the theory of magic tire formula, the Pesca tire models are widely used in professional vehicle dynamics simulation, also in racing car games. So this formula is going to use for the dynamic simulation or racing car games. Also, it is easy to program and solve quickly. So it is its main benefit that you can solve it easily and very accurate. Now, the main problem of that model is uh, if you computer code these kind of model, but also it doesn't work for low speed. So it is not for low speed vehicles or at low speed you will find it difficult because the velocity term in the denominator makes the formula diverse. So it can affect our modeling or model of the tire as well. So you can see that the at low speed you will not find it accurate. Also comparing with the other tire models, there are several tire models are there like brush tire models. So comparing with brush tire model, also we can say that the brush tire model is analytically derived. Also, the empirical curve fitting is still required a good correlation. They tend to be less accurate. So for the brush tire model, we will find that it is not up to that accurate like Pesca tire model. So we are considering Pesca tire model now, not a brush tire models. Also the slipping velocity. Now what is slipping velocity? That is the difference between the velocity of the car and the velocity of tire with respect to the contact point. And that change very quickly and the model becomes stiff. So that is main difficulty in brush tire models. So we are talking about Pesca tire models only. Moving further, here you will find a formula, that is y is equal to d into sine of c into arctan in bracket bx minus e into bx minus arctan of bx. So this is the formula of magic tire, or we can say that the by putting some values, you will find your own tire model. In the formula, you will find several constants like B, C, D, and E. These are the fitting constants. And also you can say that the Y is the force or moment that resulting from the slip parameter X. And also you will find a graph that is lateral force versus side slip angle. So in driving condition, overall driving condition, you will find these minus forces from zero forces to the finally positive lateral force. So this that blue line represents overall performance of the vehicle with respect to sleep angle. So here you can see that the values of the constants like B, C, D and E. You will find the value of B is 0.714, C is 1.40, D is almost is 1, E is minus 0.20. So according to these values, after putting these values in the equation, you will find a new tire model. So again, that is depending on my lateral force, also the sleep angles. So these are the typical calculation or analytical calculation that we have to done in the background. And after getting such constants like B, C, D and E, we will find with the help of magic formula and develop a new model of a tire. So we are not going to brief in this kind of theory. Moving further, this is the side slip angle graph, and here it is also we can say that the side slip angle graph. And here you can say that the angle arctan graph, you will find several constants like B, C, D, several distance are provided with the respect to x-axis and y-axis. Also, the table is given. In the table, you can see the different parameters value. Also, I have said earlier that like B, C, D, and E, these are the constants. And for that constants, if I'm talking about my front tire, so for that front tire, we can say that the lateral force for that parameter B is 9.09, for the C is 1.19, D is 4.876, and for E is minus 1.252. So for the lateral forces, I'm considering these parameters value that are constant values. For longitudinal, the values are going to change like 11.39, 1.685, 6.164, 0.3694. Also, I'm talking about rear tires. So again, comparing with lateral and longitudinal forces, the values of B, C, D, and E constants are going to change. So according to that B, C, D, and E, the values are very different from that for that rear tires. So these are the constants that we have to keep in mind for these formula. So this is Pesca magic formula model to develop a new tire model by putting some values of B, C, D and E, that is constant value. So this is basic theory about magic formula of a to build a tire model. Thank you.